reading the question, first thing to do is figure out how many triangles we're putting together for this regular polygon. We start with this 40-degree idea because what we're going to be doing is going around a full circle, placing a certain number of these sides, right? So we know there's 360 in a circle divided by 40, leaving us with 9 triangles, okay? So just imagine that, right? It's going to be 9 gone, all right? Now, the area for any regular polygon is, yes, area equals half PA. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'm more a fan of looking at how many triangles there are. It describes the same situation. What we should see is we're going to have 9 of these triangles, right? So I just need to find the area of one of these triangles and then multiply by 9. All right. So taking this shape and breaking it down, note the way it's drawn does not help us at all. Anytime you have an isosceles, you want to have the base on the bottom. So redrawing this, we see it more clearly. This is a 4. That will break down the middle. That's the key. Any isosceles down the middle, 2 congruent right triangles. That 40 is bisected, divided by 2 produces 20 degrees. Now, you need to solve for this over here, and you also need to solve for this height. All right. This 4 is going to act like a scalar. If this were just 1, then opposite the 20 would be sine 20, and this would be cosine 20 from the unit circle. Since the radius of this is 4, opposite the 20 produces 4 sine 20, and then this height is 4 cosine 20. Recall the area of a triangle is 1/2 of base times height. Now the question is, do I care to know that this entire thing is 8 sine 20? Not really. Why not? Because this half base is simply just going to be 4 sine 20, right? Remember, this broke up beautifully. The angle divided by 2 and this base divided by 2. So this already is half the base. Now we just need that height idea, which we know is 4 cosine 20. And then we have that 9 from out front. What we need to do at this point is multiply our coefficients together. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 144. Producing 144, sine of 20, cosine 20. So our answer is C. Recapping the question type. It's going to be a number that's going to divide into 360. You need to figure out how many triangles. From that, every isosceles triangle, turn it like this, it can be broken down the same exact way. Even if this is, let's say, like an unknown, like in a future question, like a follow-up. All right, so please practice doing one more of these follow-up questions where you have values that are known, and then move on to the next multiple choice question type where these are unknowns. Go ahead.